We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, we have to show it to the world. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.